about sunrise? What about rain? What about all?
Hello, I invite you to see this river. It was once beautiful and full of life, but now it's contaminated and it's barely a river. This is because of us. We've been destroying our home, the earth. The earth doesn't belong to us. We belong to it.
Shed before. Did you ever stop this notice? This crying earth, this weeping shore.
Coke bottle, a rooftop, and my mixtape. Bike tire.
Plastic bags.
Beer. Plastic hose. Car tire. A lighter and a condom. Food envelopes. Plates.
I used to dream. I used to glance beyond the stars. Now I don't know where we are. Although I know we've been
It's not only affecting us, it's affecting nature.
This is contamination. We have to do something to stop it.
We cannot accept this kind of contamination. We have to solve this. We have to pick up trash. We have to recycle trash. We need to do something different with the trash.
That's a rock, idiot.
One idea is to clean all of this mess.
So that it can look like this, full of life, full of flowers.
Why do we look like this? When we can look like this. We are the change. Today, right now, you are the change. What we propose is to live in a clean environment, with no trash, with no contamination.
Now this needs change. We can all do a change. You can make a change. The only thing you have to start doing is stop harming and start helping. Stop wasting. Stop complaining and start reusing and start recycling. We are the change. You are the change.
For a better tomorrow.
For a better today.